Nike Training Club Elite app. The pros, the cons. The surprising truth about Nike Training Club is that it's not just another fitness app, it's a full-fledged digital training platform trusted by athletes worldwide. But is it really worth upgrading to the elite version? Let's look at the pros and cons. First, the pros. Nike Training Club Elite gives you access to hundreds of professionally designed workouts from top Nike trainers and athletes. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve mobility, or burn fat, there's a guided program for every goal and every level. The Elite experience is about structure and variety. You'll find everything from yoga and Pilates to advanced strength training and height. The app's sleek design and motivational cues make it easy to stay focused, and since Nike's trainers lead each session, you're getting world-class coaching at home. Another big plus is the integration with Nike Run Club. The two apps sync seamlessly, so you can mix running and training for a balanced, all-around fitness routine. Plus, the app includes personalized training plans that adapt based on your progress and consistency. Now for the cons. While the Elite version adds premium plans and features, some users feel the difference from a free tier isn't huge. There is also no live coaching, everything is pre-recorded. And unlike competitors like Peloton or Fitbod, Nike Training Club doesn't offer real-time metrics or resistance tracking. In conclusion, Nike Training Club Elite stands out for its quality, design, and accessibility. It's ideal for anyone who wants professional-level training without paying for a gym or personal trainer. But if you crave live classes or advanced analytics, it might feel too simple. Still, for most users, Nike Training Club Elite delivers one of the best all-around fitness experiences powered by a brand that knows athletic performance inside and out.